In this video I will introduce you to the Profile Settings feature. Profile Settings is the way to select the options for the various profiles in your workforce. To navigate to Profile Settings, go to Settings, Profiles. You'll see a list of the different profiles that you can edit. It's really important to note that each profile can have different settings. By default, all accounts have two profiles. One for employed crew, and another for self-employed crew. In the future you'll be able to add additional profiles and rename them. When you view a profile, you'll see options to edit settings for that profile. On the Settings page, admins can control how this profile should work. The Profile Status setting allows admins to control whether this profile is open or closed in your company. If closed, then crew will not have the option to select that profile when registering with your company. It is possible to have both open if you have employed and self-employed crew in your workforce. If both profiles are open, then crew would choose at registration. Next, the profile settings allow admins to control if expense claims should be possible. If this is set to hide expenses, then the option to submit an expense claim will be hidden in the crew app. The second option allows admins to control if fee details should be visible in the crew app. If this is set to hide fees, then the fee information, plus the ability to review and submit a timesheet is disabled in the crew app. Make sure you click the Save button to implement any changes made. This is what a job on the job board looks like when expenses and fees are hidden. The fee breakdown with salary and expense details is not visible. Jobs that crew are confirmed on do not show any fee breakdown information, and the timesheet and expenses tabs are not visible. Next, we have the check-in and out settings. The check-in and out settings can be selected, and a button can be timed to appear if you want crew to check in or out of the job location. It can also be set to appear with no job location set and can be timed to appear before and after the scheduled job start time. They also work in conjunction with Google Maps and can be edited to only allow crew to check in or out within a certain distance of the job location. When scheduled times are selected, then no matter when crew check in or out, the times that appear on the crew's time sheets are the original start and end times when the job was created. If, however, check-in or out time is selected for timesheet entries, then whenever crew click the check-in or out button, then that is the time that is entered in their timesheet. Lastly, the compliance option allows owners to set the number of days after a job finishes when crew data is not visible to supervisors or other crew. That's it. That's Profile Settings.